Introducing the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10, a remarkable smart home appliance that will transform your cleaning experience. This stylish and efficient robot vacuum combines intelligent technology with convenience, making it an essential cleaning solution to any modern household. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10 features a powerful suction system that effortlessly glides across your floors, picking up dirt, dust, debris, and hair. The robot vacuum mops your floors too, making it versatile for all your cleaning needs. It has 3 water flow levels for the various floor types like hardwood or tiles, giving you pristine floors without lifting a finger. The Xiaomi E10 robot vacuum allows for easy control through the Mi Home app or voice assistant. You can schedule cleanings according to your preferences, adjust cleaning modes, and access real-time monitoring. You can even set it up to share voice notifications with updates in real time to keep you informed. The built-in sensors make it easy for the robot vacuum to navigate your floor plan and maneuver around furniture to fit into tight spaces with its slim design, ensuring every room is left spick and span. Embrace smarter living with the Xiaomi E10 robot vacuum and let this hands-free solution add a new level of convenience to your cleaning routine.